OA, but no, hindi pa siya tapos. Hindi pa siya nagtatapos doon. Sorry, by the way, bago ko ipakita yung last, halimutan ko ipakita sa inyo. Yung scented candles from Trader Joe's. The Falling Leaves, Spiced Pear. I like them both. Mas gusto ko yung amoy nitong isa, but I think that's all. Wait, kumapit ka. OA. No joke, but guys, nung nakita talaga namin to, lahat kami na pa.
NANI?!
Real? Legit? Totoo ba? Ganong reaction, guys. She gave 4 of us Kindle. Kindle? Paperwhite. 12 chan. Actually, yung mga food, chocolates, vitamins, grateful na talaga kami and all. But to think na everything is personalized. 4 kasi kami sa team. Mahilig ako sa makeup. She gave all of us makeup. And one of us hilig sa vitamins. Meron din vitamins. At kami na shocked. Actually, nabuksan ko na to. Nasa Palawan pa lang sa hotel kasi sobrang excited talaga. Here she is in all glory. Guys, up until now, tuwing makikita ko siya sa table ko, hindi ako makapaniwalang binigyan kami ng client namin ng Kindle. Super, super grateful and just grateful for everything. Yung presence pa lang, yung effort pagpunta nila dito sa Philippines and all, that's actually enough. But yung effort to bring us all the things from the US just so we could try it. She wants us to try food na wala dito sa Philippines or mahirap siyang hanapin. So, that's it. I think wala na ako nakakalimutan, but yeah, dami, diba? But, so yeah, yun lang naman yung gusto kong i-haul sa inyo. Thank you guys! Bye!